Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to register copyright for music. Securing the legal rights to your original songs and recordings is crucial for any musician. It protects your creative work from unauthorized use and gives you the power to control how your music is shared and performed. We'll walk through the simple steps to ensure your musical creations are officially recognized and protected, giving you peace of mind and legal standing. Before you begin the online application, you'll need to gather a few key items. First, have your musical composition and any associated sound recordings ready in a digital format. Next, clearly identify all individuals or entities who contributed to the work and who will be listed as copyright claimants. Finally, be prepared to pay the non-refundable filing fee, which is typically around $65 for a single application. Once your materials are ready, head to the U.S. Copyright Office website. You'll find an electronic application system designed for ease of use. Carefully complete all sections of the form, providing accurate details about your work and its creators. Then, upload your musical composition and sound recording as digital deposit copies. Double-check everything before submitting to avoid any delays in the process. After successfully submitting your application, you'll receive an email confirmation. The U.S. Copyright Office will then begin processing your request. While the exact time frame can vary, it typically takes several months for your registration to be fully processed and for you to receive your official certificate. Keep all your application records, including payment receipts, in a safe place for future reference and proof of your submission.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.